Dr. Michael Kocurek is one of the world's most recognized educators in pulp and paper. Born on January 6, 1943 in New York City, he was educated at the State University of New York, College of Environmental Science and Forestry at Syracuse, and received his bachelor, master, and doctorate degrees in paper science and engineering. Mike is shown here celebrating 38 years of marriage with his wife Margaret. The couple has been blessed with 3 children, Monica, Mike Jr., and Anne, of whom they are very, very proud. Monica's 4-year-old daughter, Catherine, is the couple's first grandchild. Having grown children allows Mike and Margaret to pursue their primary interest, which is travel. Here they are shown on a trip to Mexico. While the region can be challenging in summer, they both find the history to be very impressive. Stepping back in time, perhaps one of the most memorable and lasting legacies for Mike was the opportunity to create the paper science program and foundation at the University of Wisconsin at Stevens Point. Here we see the senior class of 1983 on the machine at Appleton Papers. Mike moved south in 1986 to become executive director of the Hertie Foundation in Savannah, Georgia, where he served from 1986 to 1996. Here, Mike is shown being sworn in as a member of the Governor's Science Council in 1993. As part of the ceremony, Georgia Governor Zell Miller made Mike and the chairman of the board swear not to seek new funds from the state next year. When they did approach the state for funds in 1994, they were reminded of their promise and said, "We lied." The Hertie Foundation received funding, and its new $25 million Hertie Development Center was dedicated in 1996. After the dedication, Mike returned to his home and education, joining North Carolina State's Department of Wood and Paper Science as professor and department head. Here, Mike is sitting in front of the Baby Wolfpack pilot paper machine. In the summer of 2004, Mike was privileged to speak at China Tappy in Beijing. A cypress tree in the Pavilion of Lasting Sunshine in the Forbidden City gave Michael pause for reflection on how special our industry is in being stewards of a natural resource. Throughout his career, Mike has ensured that the future employees of the paper industry are better educated and more technically sophisticated. He has taught an estimated 500 undergraduates in paper science and well over 5,000 industry professionals and operators in 65 different corporations and government agencies. He has produced videos and edited books used by thousands of industry professionals worldwide.